Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So we saw some crazy move yesterday. Maybe it's because of the economic news. You will see that we had some crazy volatile move here, which we like because this just broke this area. You remember when I was talking about this area? We saw a crazy move. Now the market is back again, so I expect the market now to push up. So let's go and zoom that a little bit. Yeah, here you can see that. So let's see that. So the market was, let me remove this. If you remember, the market was around this area, So what I wanted the market to break this area and see a nice retest before we can see the market is going up. But mostly you can see here we had a very nice line again. You can just draw that somewhere there. So let's draw a proper line. Let's see here. It's a very nice line, but if you can see even here, there is also a very nice, because every candlestick it's above this line, so we can also do it like that, but actually it's supposed to be around above our resistance, which is here. So but it seems like most candlesticks they reached this area. That's why I'm just going to place it another one here. So this is now a zone, you can see that. So let me just remove these things and try with something like this. So here it's now a zone, you can see that. So it's a very simple and straightforward thing to see. Why? Because it's something like here, you see the market is doing that. Even here, the market is doing that. So even here, the market can do something like that, going up. It's how the market is moving. I hope you can see that. This is the repetition of what happened here and also what happened here. You can see what I'm drawing is exactly what the market was doing. So if the market doesn't do that, it's also fine, guys. You can, if you see the market breaking this area, just wait for it to break this support, then you can say now maybe I'm thinking about to sell. But apart from that, don't think about selling, guys. As long as we are still above this support, just stay above. As long as we are above this, just look for bullish momentum only, because this will help you or to simplify your trading methodology or the way you trade. When it's uptrend, you only buy, you see. So you have to wait for the market to break this support, then you can think about selling. But before that, just wait and look for a very nice opportunity around this zone. Then you will see the market maybe going in your favor, because here we're just looking for a bullish. You can see the market has been playing above this. So now the market is very close to our support, where we just want it to go up again. So if you have your buy orders here, I think it's also safe. You can still have a very nice bullish momentum. So I think the market will still push up from here. So I don't think maybe there's any issue buying from this positions, because when you do the analysis, everything still the way we want it. We still above our resistance, and when we draw, even if here now it's a zone, when we draw, the market is now retesting. So it means we can see another buy, guys, another buy, because you can see if you draw that we are above that. So the market broke, now it's a retest down. The market is now it's time to push up. The market can just consolidate around this area. It's also fine. Maybe we'll see another push later on, but the bigger picture is the market can still push up, you see. Yeah, so let's go to US30 and see US30. So US30, guys, just creating these crazy moves, then after started going down. So it seems like it's uh, yeah, let's say it seems to be, let me remove this, because I was let me don't remove this. This was just a resistance. I just want to draw that so that we see what happened actually here. I want you to see. So from this area, guys, from this area, we had this nice resistance. You see that? So we had this breakout and a retest. Then the market is like it's no longer want to push up. You see, but we just have to wait again here because we thought maybe the market will just push up quicker, but the market is still playing around this zone after we broke out. So it means here you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. What you can do is you just wait for the market to give you a little push. When you see that, okay, this is a nice push, the market is now going up, is then maybe you can get that buy, or you just use maybe buy pending order. Because sometimes if you rush, you might find yourself in a wrong position, because this thing actually is broken the resistance, but it seems like still wants to play under that resistance. You can see the market was bouncing. Then this is a break. Let me draw that again. This is a breakout, guys. So instead of the market pushing up, we see the market going a bit lower. So we just have to see if this was a fake move, but this is not fake move because this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. So it means maybe the bullish momentum is not that strong. So we just have to wait and see if maybe the market will respect after this breakout. Maybe the market is now going to respect our resistance again. You see, maybe this will create something like this, where some they call that head and shoulder. So maybe the market will create something like that. Maybe the market will just create this bounce back, then before we can see another sell-off. So it's also fine. Don't rush. Just wait here, because this is now confusing unless if the market creates that whatever that I'm talking about, say a bounce back before we see another sell